Hello, my dear children. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Computer Online class. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Okay, let's begin our class. Children, do you remember what we have learned in the last class? Chapter 1, right? The computer, a smart machine. Okay, what are the topics we have learned in the last class? We have seen about the difference between human beings and computers, right? Compared to human beings, computers can work very fast without getting tired, without getting bored. It can work very fast, right? But one thing, the computers cannot take their own decisions, right? They don't have any feelings. Okay. And we have seen about 4 types of computers, right? What are they? Desktop, laptop, palm top, and tablet. Okay. So now tell me, what type of computer is this? Whether this is desktop or palm top or laptop, or what type it is? Desktop computer. Very good. See, this is, what type is this? Okay, laptop. The next type is, can you tell me? Okay, this is palm top computer. And this is tablet. Very good. Okay, now in today's class we'll see about how to start and how to shut down a computer. Starting and shutting down a computer. Let's see the steps. Okay, so before that, let's watch a video how to start and shut down a computer.
Kliko, what are you doing?
Hi, Rini. I have got some work to do on the computer, so I'm switching it on.
Gosh, I always want to know how to switch on the computer. At school, our teacher always switches on the computer. Can you teach me how to switch on the computer, Kliko?
Sure, Rini. I will tell you steps and you perform the steps.
Yes, Kliko.
First, remove all the covers from the computer and its devices. Now, switch on the main socket button on the switchboard.
Yes, I have pressed the switch on.
Now, switch on the UPS.
Yes, I have pressed the UPS button on. Look, a green light is glowing in the UPS.
Yes, the UPS has powered up now. Now, switch on the CPU power button.
Yes, I have pressed the power button on the CPU. I can hear a faint noise inside the box.
It is the CPU starting up. Now, switch on the monitor button.
Yes, I have switched it on. A green light is glowing, but nothing has appeared on the screen.
Relax, Rini. It may take some time to show the main screen as the system is booting up.
Look, the computer screen desktop is appearing on the monitor.
Yes, the computer is starting up. Look, Rini, this is the mouse pointer. It now looks like an hourglass. It means that the computer is busy and will need some time to start up. Now, the hourglass has changed to the arrow pointer. This means the computer is now ready. We can start working on it. Now, can you remember the steps how to turn on the computer?
Yes, Clicko. I can now always turn on the computer. Thank you for your help.
It's my pleasure to help you.
Oh, what should we do to turn off the computer? Should we just switch off the main socket switch?
No, Rini. We should never switch off the computer directly. It may harm the computer. There are a number of steps you should follow to turn off a computer.
Please tell me the steps and I will switch off the computer.
Okay, first of all, click on Start or the Windows sign on the screen of the monitor. Look, it is located at bottom left corner of the screen.
I have clicked on it. A panel has appeared on the screen.
Can you see the shutdown option in the panel? Well, click on it.
Yes, I can see that. I have clicked on it.
Good. Now the computer will take a few minutes to turn off automatically. Look, the screen has now turned black. It means the computer is now turned off. The CPU also gets automatically turned off. So, we are not required to turn off the CPU. Now, switch off the monitor and after that switch off the UPS. And switch off the main power socket switch. Now, I hope you know how to switch on and off a computer.
Yes, I do now.
So, always remember these steps while turning on or off a computer.
Definitely, Clicko.
Have you watched the video? Yes. Now let's see the steps to start a computer. Okay. Step 1. Switch on the power supply. So first step, what you have to do, you have to switch on the power supply. Step 2. Switch on the UPS. Where you can see UPS? Nearby the computer CPU. You can find a small box, right? That is UPS. Step 3. Switch on the power button on the CPU cabinet. So the third step, you have to switch on the CPU power button. Okay. And the step number 4, switch on the monitor. So once again, first step, what you have to do, switch on the power supply. The next step, switch on the UPS. And step number 3, switch on the CPU power button. Okay. And the last step, switch on the monitor. Okay. These are the steps to start a computer. You all understood? Okay. Now, when you start a computer, you can see a screen like this, right? What you will call the screen? This is desktop. Okay, a screen called desktop appears when you open a computer. Okay, you can see small pictures on the desktop. See here, small pictures you can see here, right? So these are called icons. So you can see small pictures on the desktop. These are called icons. Okay. Now let's see how to shut down a computer. Step 1. Click the start button. The start menu appears. See, first step, you have to click the start button. See here at the left side you can see a start button. This is the start button. Okay, so you have to click the start button. When you click that, you can see a menu appears. Okay, so step 2, click on the shutdown button. See, when you click that, in that menu you can see the shutdown option here, right? So you have to click on the shutdown button. When you click the shutdown button, you can see a message showing the system is logging off and then shutting down. See, at the background you can see this image, right? Shutting down. Can you see? Yes, shutting down. So when you click the shutdown button, the computer will be shut down. Okay. And then the third step, now you have to switch off the power button on the monitor. Now you have to switch off the power button on the monitor. Okay. Next step, step 4, switch off the UPS. Okay. The fourth step, switch off the UPS. And the last step, switch off the power supply. So these are the steps to be followed to shut down a computer. Okay. Okay, dear children, in today's class we have seen the steps to start a computer and shut down a computer, right? Are you all clear with this? Yes, if you have any doubts in this topic, you can contact me and you can clarify your doubts, okay? And today I'll send the notes to you in the WhatsApp group. I'll send you the notes. Kindly copy the notes in your computer notebook, okay? You can use single line notebook for computer. You can copy the notes and please take the snapshot and send it to my WhatsApp number, okay? Thank you, dear children. Have a great day.